I'm going on an early morning hike. So this is the first of the hike videos. Go to a short trail and should lead to like a river. Hopefully I don't take no slips, because it is wet out here. It's raining. It's been down pretty consistent. But this morning I woke up with a lot of energy, so go out here and take a walk, hiking, do a short little trek. It's the second day in August, which means we don't have that many days of summer left, so I'm going to try to go out every day in August. So I'll have a lot of footage. And I'll do a lot of different activities. So you don't know what you're going to get. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, so you can always get those latest updates, see my videos, and follow me on my daily journeys. This is hiking in Black Rock Mountain. So like I said, it's big mountain. First videos were of me biking. Walk on these rocks. But here's my first video of me hiking. One day I do like, it's called, I forget what it's called. It's not Killer Hill. There's something hill. And there's like a real steep climb. And you're just hiking, and you're exhausted by the time you get to that point. There's non-stop uphill. I'll do that probably when it's sunny. It's a nice cool morning. Big change of pace from all the hot days I've done workouts in. So it's nice and refreshing, calming. river, stream. It's just water that comes down from the top of the mountain, leads into open rivers, which leads out into the ocean. Tributaries, I think it's called. These feeding water sources come from the mountains, makes its way out into the ocean. Yeah, it's here, but it's not really a lot of water running through it. Almost took a spill there. Wow, some trees really did fall over here. Yeah, that tree fell. Blocked out all the paths. That's nature for you. Never know when one of these trees gonna go timber. Timber! So, this is the nice little location. We'll set up here. Here they normally have more water. You can tell by the moss way up here. But since it's been raining the last few days, I'm sure this thing will fill up. One more.